Water. Something we use on a daily basis. Without water, everything is nothing. Almost everything we use in our daily life requires water in its manufacturing process. Clothes, toothbrush, the food we eat. This water has to come from fresh water, which only makes up 2.5% of the water on Earth, resulting in eventually a shortage of water. So what about the other 97.5%? The ocean. To desalinate the ocean requires a lot of money and energy. So why don't we use it as a farmland instead? Yes, farming in the ocean. Envision a world where a large-scale farming could be moved into the depths of the ocean, or in my case, a fish tank. My project is based off of an experiment started off the coast of Italy called Nemo's Garden, a project that uses underwater transparent bubbles that houses plants, an almost fully self-sustainable system. The idea is to expand to an underwater farming in areas where it can be difficult to farm and in efforts to save resources. I started the project with germinating sweet basil seeds. You can achieve this by putting the basil seeds in a wet paper towel and a bag, and in a few days you should have sproutlings. Next, you want to ensure that you have your Jiffy pellets ready. Further, then you want to plant your basil seeds into the Jiffy pellets. I then proceeded to make a holder out of a plastic cup and stainless steel wire mesh. Before putting the plant in there, I actually wanted to test to see if it would work. From the looks of it, it appears that the plants should be able to stay steady in there. When testing, I put some tissue paper in the cup just to ensure that it would come out dry. Now time to lower in with the actual plants. The company has a prototype that you can buy to put into your fish tanks. However, I wanted to try and make my own. The idea behind the self-sustainable system is that the water is cold enough to where it eventually condensates on the inside of the glass, therefore watering the plants. This is where we wait for the results. Unfortunately, the plants did not make it due to the inconsistent water temperatures. I was not able to regulate the water temperature as much as I could. In the ocean, the temperature is always at a consistent temperature. Unfortunately, the weight that I use also rested, therefore contaminating the water and it not being able to filter and be as clean as it needed to be. I will be trying to do this project again in the future, so hopefully with better results.